WhatsApp is about to get louder because ads are coming and millions of users won't be able to avoid them. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. Meta has confirmed that WhatsApp will soon start showing ads inside channels and while viewing other people's status updates, marking the biggest shift in WhatsApp's history. And yes, this time the rollout is real. The ads are designed to make users know businesses, letting them discover shops, services, and brands directly inside the app. Meta says the goal is to make it easier to chat with companies about what they're selling. When an ad pops up, users will be able to tap for more info, check the advertiser's profile, or choose to hide or report it. WhatsApp has already started flashing pop-up warnings to selected users, letting them know ads are on the way. Meta says that personal messages, calls, and private status updates will remain fully end-to-end encrypted and are absolutely not used for ad targeting. WhatsApp wants to turn status updates into a discovery hub, and if you see a business promoting a new product, you can start a chat instantly. Tap the three-dot menu or the more option on any ad and you'll get tools to control what you see. Users can also adjust their ad preferences by going to Settings, Account Center, Account Settings, then Ad Preferences to control over the kind of promotions they see. And if a specific ad starts annoying you, hiding it is simple. For channel ads, tap the sponsored label and choose Hide Ad. For status ads, hit More Options, the three dots, and do the same. It's the biggest change WhatsApp has seen. A messaging app built on privacy now stepping boldly into the world of advertising. Whether users love it or hate it, the ads are coming. Are you okay with this update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.